Assam Rifles laga Director General Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera Janashigi Nutun de implement free movement regime policy pitor de biometrics istemal kurigina 42,000 upor Myanmarese nationals can get mapped kurigina ase. Lakhera kushigi cross border parigina jakaran FMR laga policy do recently revised kurishe kude Indo Myanmar border de through alak crossing points India de khusa manu khan ge systematic documentation kurubole laga mandate kurigina ase. Lakhera kushige joasal December muina bra lugina itiata concerned government agencies pra biometrics aro alak gadam lo de 42,000 Myanmarese individuals get mapped kurishe aro data khando coordinated monitoring nimide across departments share kurise. Myanmar de political unrest aro armed conflict joy thaka nimide Myanmarese species flee kurigina northeastern states khas kurigina Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland aro Arunachal Pradesh de temporary refuge luese.
Life is a constant adventure, whether it's getting the kids to school or hitting our favourite surf break or simply making Saturday sports. Life throws a challenge at any moment.
That's why we stepped up to the safety of an SUV with proper four-wheel drive, amazing fuel economy and luxury interior. Oh yeah, and the all-important Apple CarPlay.
The all-new Mahindra Scorpio, engineered for adventure.